Getting a transaction error on Trust Wallet. In this 2025 guide, I'll show you the most common reason why it happens and how to fix it fast so your crypto goes through successfully. Let's go. One of the most common causes is inefficient network fees. If you're sending tokens like USDT or SHIB, you still need a small amount of the base coin, like BNC or BSC or ethereum, to cover the gas fee. Make sure your wallet has a few dollars worth of the right gas token. If you're swapping tokens, try increasing the slippage tolerance. Go to the swap settings and raise it to 5 to 12%, especially for meme coins or low liquidity tokens. Also try lowering the swap amount slightly. Make sure you're on the correct blockchain network and using the right token contact address. Mismatched networks will cause errors or failed transactions. Always double check the details before confirming. If your transaction is stuck, go to BSCS scan or Etherscan. Find the pending transaction and wait or cancel it using the same nonce in a new transaction with higher gas. And that's how to fix most Trust Wallet transaction errors in 2025. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and like.